Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the Sunburst stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the single crochet stitch, and the half double crochet stitch. I have videos on all those and I will have them listed down below. I have already made this little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see if the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. For the body of my test swatch, I have already made the Sunburst stitch. This is what it will look like. If you're starting from the very beginning making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 3 plus 1. You're then going to work your first row being all single crochet. You're going to make your first single crochet into the second chain from your hook. Then 1 single crochet into each chain across for your first row. I will be showing you how to make the next rows that you will be alternating between for however long you want your project. So on the second row, you're going to start with 2 chains on your hook, which I have already made. Into the first stitch, you're going to make 1 half double crochet. You're going to skip 2 stitches. You're then going to work into this third one right here, working 3 half double crochet in that same stitch. Skip the next 2 stitches, work 3 half double crochet into the next one. Skip 2, work 3 half double crochet into the next one. Skip 2, work 3 half double crochet into the next one. Repeat these steps until you reach the last stitch of your row. When you come to the last stitch of your row, you're going to work 2 half double crochet together into that last stitch. And that's going to be that second row complete. So you would work these half double crochets into your first row of all single crochet. To start row 3, I have made 1 chain on my hook and I have turned my work. Into the first stitch of your row, make 1 single crochet. And 1 single crochet into the next stitch. So that's 1 single crochet into the first 2 stitches. Chain 3. Skip 2 stitches and then work 1 single crochet into the next. Make 3 chains. Skip 2 stitches, work 1 single crochet in the next. Make 3 chains. Skip 2 stitches, make 1 single crochet into the next. Repeat these steps until you reach the end of your row. When you reach the end of your row, make 1 single crochet into the last stitch. That's how that third row is looking. To start my 4th row, I made 1 chain on my hook and I turned my work. Work 1 single crochet into the first 2 stitches. In your first open space, work 2 single crochet. Into the next stitch, work 1 single crochet. Into the next open space, work 2 single crochet. Into the next stitch, work 1 single crochet. You're going to repeat these steps until you reach the end of your row. I've reached the end of my row. I have 2 stitches left. I'm going to work 1 single crochet into each of them. That's how that 4th row is looking. You would now repeat rows 2 through 4 for however long you want your project. I will have each row time-stamped down below, so it's going to be easy to reference back to. And that's going to be how to make the crochet sunburst stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.